Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories like to share a new project which I made from a paper collection Living in the Rain, and its paper pad collection is from Ciao Bella. And before we go inside the mini album, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell so you can see my next project. Mini album have 4 pocket pages. On the cover I fussy cut that loving couple, and also I use a glossy accent, and that is from a cover of that collection. That look the spine and back have a big tag. We can put maybe 2 photos or write our story about our love. So let's see what is inside. When we open, on first I have that closure for that, I don't know, maybe envelope. When we open, it's pocket with tag with photo mat inside. Also here is photo mat for photos. Then also photo mat with pocket with photo mat, and ta-da! When we open that folding paper, we get that beautiful image. So closed like that. One door, other door, and closed with that thread. Okay, then I closed the other one. Next we have again envelope, and inside the envelope is beautiful booklet beautiful for 4 photos. Do not fall, so closure is by that thread. When we open, it's a little pocket with tag inside. Here is half page, it's pocket, and that interesting tag. I put white paper to write something. Next, look at that amazing design. I just love it. So I only cut the page and put booklet for photos. Next page. I repeat always that I am sorry to disturb beautiful design on the paper, so I try to save design, and also on every page make something where we can put photos. So because on that picture it's that stand lamp, also on this picture, so I make possibility photo put here, but when we put that inside, so we make more that lamps see. So next page have door. Again I did make a copy of the paper, and when we slide to pocket that tags, we not disturb the paper. So here are two tags, we can write something, and that door have that possibility to open like this, and it's two tags inside and place for photos. Also other side have similar, and when we open that thread, we can open again beautiful images. What happened? Oh, I have to fix it. Okay, look again that beautiful paper. That bench with couple, with that umbrella, and because paper is 30 and 30 centimeters and I need more, so I make pocket aside and put that tags inside for photos. And also here we have booklet for photos. Oops. I want to see all that circle like that. Okay. So we close the door, and when we turn the page, that ballerina, I just don't know where to put photo on. So here was a little place, so I cut pocket and put that booklet in, so I don't have to disturb the ballerina. It's nice. I love it. Okay. And next page I have for the fall. It's the beautiful ballerina. So it's place for many photos, and to hold that. So okay, it's like that. Also, every page have a photo mat, huge photo mat inside the pocket, so we can put 3 photos in. Okay, next page. I just love that rainbow, so I want to see the rainbow, so I cut paper and make like something like this. So I put that bell and glue image on, and behind that bell goes that booklet, and here I just want to save these tags with beautiful tree and rainbow, so I just make something like tags, and we can put the tags behind it pocket. Next, closure is by magnet, and here we have 4 places for photos. Okay, and last is huge envelope with pocket on the front with that tag, and we can put more photos inside the envelope. Closure is by magnet. So that is my Loving in the Rain mini album. Hope I inspire you, and please again subscribe my channel and push also a button with bell, so you will have a possibility to see my new project. Bye bye guys, thank you very much to visit my channel.